In this lesson, we will look at the number of terms, coefficients, and factors within an expression. 7x plus y minus 1. There are three terms in this expression: 7x, the y, and the 1. Remember, terms are separated by addition and subtraction. Coefficient of the first term. The first term is 7x. The coefficient is the number that is multiplied by the variable. So the coefficient of the first term is 7. The number of factors of the first term. You have a 7 and an x. This gives you 2 factors. Number of factors of the second term. There is a y. There's just one factor. X minus 4xy plus 8. There are three terms: the x, the 4xy, and the 8. The coefficient of the first term. The coefficient of the first term is 1. Because there is only one x there. Coefficient of the second term. The coefficient of the second term is -4. Number of factors in the second term. There are 3 factors in the second term. Let's analyze the expression 2 times 8 plus 7. We could read this as the product of 2 factors, 2 and 8 plus 7. We can also realize that 8 plus 7 is the sum of 2 terms. Now, if we look at the second expression here, 12 divided by x plus 3, we can read this as the quotient of 12 and x plus 3, but we can also realize that x plus 3 is the sum of 2 terms.